Imagine studying at a top Canadian university immersed in world-class education, vibrant cultural experiences, and all without the financial burden. The Canada ASEAN Scholarships 2025 to 2026 are fully funded, offering you the chance to pursue undergraduate or graduate studies in Canada with tuition fees, living expenses, airfare, and even health insurance completely covered. In this video, we'll break down what the Canada ASEAN Scholarships 2025 to 2026 are all about, the fantastic benefits and opportunities they offer, who is eligible to apply, a step-by-step guide to the application process, key deadlines, and the official application link, so you can get started right away. So, grab your notebook, sit back, and let's dive into this life-changing opportunity. Hello, global dreamers. Welcome back to Dreams Abroad Media, your ultimate resource for discovering life-changing opportunities abroad. Today I have some incredible news that could turn your study abroad dreams into reality. Before we dive into the details, I want to speak directly to you. I understand that the journey to higher education can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when financial constraints seem to block your path. But remember, your dreams are valid, and there are opportunities out there designed to break down those barriers. The Canada ASEAN Scholarships 2025 to 2026 are here to empower talented students from ASEAN countries to achieve a world-class education in Canada without financial worries. Whether you're passionate about science, engineering, business, or the arts, this scholarship is your chance to unlock a future filled with endless possibilities. So, if you're ready to transform your dreams into reality, keep watching. Your future awaits. The Canada ASEAN Scholarships are designed specifically for students from ASEAN countries to pursue higher education in Canada. These scholarships cover all major expenses, including tuition fees. 100% of your tuition is covered. Living expenses. A generous monthly stipend ensures you can focus on your studies. Airfare. Round-trip international airfare to and from Canada. Room and board. Accommodation and meal plans to keep you comfortable. Medical insurance. Comprehensive health coverage during your study period. Benefits. World-class education. Gain access to Canada's renowned academic institutions and research facilities. Cultural immersion. Experience Canada's multicultural society, diverse campus communities, and vibrant cities. Career opportunities. Build a global network, gain international experience, and enhance your career prospects. Financial freedom. With all expenses covered, you can concentrate fully on your academic and personal growth without financial stress. Eligibility requirements. 1. Nationality. You must be a citizen of one of the ASEAN countries. 2. Academic qualifications. For undergraduate programs, you must have completed your high school education with excellent grades. For graduate programs, you must hold a bachelor's degree or equivalent from an accredited institution with a strong academic record. 3. Language proficiency. 4. Personal statement and leadership. A compelling motivation letter that outlines your academic and career aspirations is essential. Extracurricular involvement and leadership experience can further strengthen your application. 5. Financial need. These scholarships are designed to support students who require financial assistance, so you may need to provide proof of your financial situation. Let's now break down the application process into simple, actionable steps to ensure your application is successful. Step 1. Research your program. Begin by exploring the range of programs available at your chosen Canadian institution. Ensure that the program aligns with your academic and career goals. Step 2. Prepare your application documents. Academic transcripts. Obtain official copies of your transcripts or degree certificates. Proof of language proficiency. Prepare your IELTS or TOEFL scores. Personal statement/motivation letter. Write a heartfelt essay detailing why you wish to study in Canada, your academic ambitions, and how this scholarship will change your life. Letters of recommendation. Collect 2 or 3 strong recommendations from teachers, mentors, or employers who can attest to your abilities. Resume/CV. Highlight your achievements, extracurricular activities, and any leadership roles. Step 3. Submit your application. Visit the official scholarship application portal. Fill in the application form accurately and upload all the required documents. Double-check every detail to avoid any errors. Step 4. Follow up. After submission, keep an eye on your email and the application portal for any updates or additional requirements. Be patient as the selection process can take a few months. My dear Dreams Abroad Media family, the opportunity to study in Canada on a fully funded scholarship is more than just financial aid. It's a pathway to a brighter, more promising future. The Canada ASEAN Scholarships 2025 offer you the chance to gain a world-class education, immerse yourself in a diverse cultural environment, and build a foundation for a successful international career. Imagine the doors that will open for you, the lifelong friendships you'll build, and the knowledge you will gain, all without the burden of financial worries. This is your chance to unlock your potential and chase your dreams without limits. If you're ready to take the next step, don't wait. Click the official application link in the description below and start your journey today. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media for more updates on life-changing educational opportunities. Thank you for watching, and remember, your future is as bright as you dare to dream. Until next time, stay inspired, keep striving, and let your dreams take flight. Good luck, and see you in the next video.